I'm going to present a story of one company, ARMSOFT. ARMSOFT is a very successful company in Armenia and a market leader in financial automation software. Today, the objective of my presentation is to create an awareness, an interest, and a call for action for aspiring Georgian companies for a cooperation. We put special emphasis today on a business model of ARMSOFT. So today we are going beyond products and solutions, and we are talking about something that is more meaningful, that lies behind these products. And these are the processes and resources that basically allows us to create successful products. ARMSOFT is founded in 1987, so it's basically a 27-year-old company. You know, in Soviet Union, you couldn't open a company. And after the collapse of Soviet Union, ARMSOFT was one of the first companies that have been opened. And during all this time, the main focus of the company was financial management solutions. So we have a broad range of systems, accounting, banking, ERP systems for Armenian companies. And of course, our last time that we participated in GITI, it was in 2011, and we were happy that we won an award, Best Business-to-Business Solution. So, our resources. We have 150 employees, and these are software engineers and economists. The company is is full of high-skilled professionals. Among them are 12 PhDs, and there is a high requirement in a company for a continual qualification, and as a result of this, we have 450 certificates, and with this number, we are #1 in Armenia by number of certificates. These are mainly Microsoft certificates, and the company is specializing on the Microsoft technologies. So I will not stay long on this slide, but this slide shows how deep is the expertise of ARMSOFT, and as you can see, we have expertise starting from the core IT infrastructure, and then that data layer, development layer, and integration, and the business application. I only will focus on the business application layer that includes the banking systems, enterprise system, accounting and trade, business-to-business portals, internet banking, and CRM. So the next important point that I'm going to talk about is our business processes. The business processes that, as I said, allowed us to create successful products in the market. So basically, from the high-level perspective, we can see that ARMSOFT comprised of two types of companies. So it's a development company, software development company, and also it's a customer service organization. So we are implementing the full cycle of the business, starting from the marketing, sales, production, which is software development, obviously in our situation, and then customer service. And as I said, it's mainly we are using Microsoft technologies, and for the software development part, we are basing our development processes on a Microsoft Solution Framework, which includes process models both for CMMI and agile development. All these types of models are used. And for customer service part, we are using dynamic CRM, which allows us to have a 360-degree view of our customers, and that creates sustaining good customer service experience among our customers. As to development, we are obviously having all the steps, and the development process is also integrated with other systems that are necessary in today's organization. Today, So the next slide is one of the most important things. So as I said, we are not focusing today on products and solutions. So of course we are delivering good products. Now you will see the numbers, but we also emphasizing the synergy that all these products create by working together. So the first point is that we have roughly 7,000 customers, which, you know, Armenia is a small country, and it's about 70% of market share in the segment that we are targeting. And also our business model allows a place for partners to do business and be profitable. So these are organizations, and here we have 70% market share in Armenia. And also banks, where we have 50% market share. So in Armenia there are 22 banks, and half of them use our core banking systems to manage their day-to-day operations. So here in the left, we can see the systems. These are accounting systems, enterprise class systems. And from the bank side, we can see the banking system. And the interesting point is that these two markets are interconnected together with our internet bank system. And it's kind of creating an environment where it's very, very useful, very helpful for all the parties to be there. And in a sense, it creates kind of win-win situation for all the parties. For banks, it's very important to be in this environment because we are getting access to all these organizations who they can propose their solutions, their services. And for organizations, it's also very useful to be in this environment because they can easily connect with their banks by using internet bank, and they do not need anything that they do manually, such as payment orders, etc. They will automatically go to banks and etc. So the next point is that our solution, we have solutions between suppliers and stores. These are more of a distribution solutions that allows stores to order their goods from their suppliers, and this is also another kind of environment that we are facilitating. And the other thing is the IAS payments that is between banks and credit organizations. And here you can see that we have roughly 90% market share in credit organizations. So there are 33 credit organizations in Armenia, and 32 or 31 of them are using our banking system. So here basically we are stressing the importance of these environments that we are creating and facilitating. So as I said, we are going beyond products and focusing attention on this. So to summarize, as I said, we think that the main competitive advantage is our business model. And this business model has been created during the 27 years. I mean, any company can create good system in 2 or 3 years, right? But to create a business model and to create a business processes that allows you systematically to deliver best solutions, you need something more important. These are the processes and the resources, and which takes definitely longer to build. So what is the essence of our presentation? As I said, it's a call for cooperation. So as you have seen, the market is saturated in Armenia, and we are here, and we are opening our products and technologies for Georgian companies to come and to cooperate with us, and basing on these assets to create their business and to create leading positions in Georgia. So why Georgia? So and here this says that we are not going in any country. So we think that that we were able to create the optimal business processes and products for market with such size as Armenia. And Armenia and Georgia, they have similar size, they are similar economies and market. And for this type of markets, we think that we have created the very successful business model for this purchasing power, for this size. So what includes the cooperation, basically? We are very open, and it can be the products, technologies, and business processes. So here is our vision for cooperation. Any Georgian company can start cooperating with us. They can start by adopting our products and bringing in Georgian market. And then they can also get our software development kits, platforms, and do their own development, not from the scratch, but from the very high point. And then, of course, the business processes. Thank you.